This video shows you how to sketch a graph, which is a translation of a graph that you already know. We know y equals x squared quite well. Here it is. If you are asked to sketch y equals x squared plus 5, which I've written in green, we can see that this new equation that we've been given is exactly the same as y equals x squared, but with 5 added on the end. So our new graph looks like this. Here it is, drawn in green. We see that it's a translation of y equals x squared vertically upwards. If we'd been given y equals x squared minus 3, which I've written here in blue, then it would look like this. We can see it drawn on in blue here, and it's a translation of our original graph y equals x squared vertically downwards. This in both of these cases, this makes sense, as all of the y values that arise from our original function of x are having a value added or subtracted to them, so they each either increase or decrease by the same amount, therefore causing the graph to shift vertically upwards or vertically downwards. Still sticking with y equals x squared as our original graph, as our basic graph, if you are asked to sketch this graph written in red, then it would look like this. Here it is drawn in red. We see that this is a horizontal translation of the original graph towards the left. Okay, last example, I'll write it in brown. If we were given y equals x minus 2 all squared, which is another example that differs from our original graph by having a constant adding to x before the function is applied, then this graph would look like this. Here it is, drawn in brown. We see that this is a horizontal translation of the original graph, but towards the right this time. These movements of the last two examples, the red one and the brown one, could be viewed as counterintuitive. So on the red one we add a constant and it moves the graph to the negative direction, and in the brown graph's case we take away a constant and it moves in the positive direction. So bearing in mind this counterintuitive movement when we either add or subtract a constant within the function, I would recommend spending a bit of time trying to make peace with this movement in your mind and see if you can rationalise it. But other than that, I would just simply remember it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has helped you.